Okay, so this is our lawnmower. We got one horn there, and that's our muffler. Pretty crappy weld.
Yeah, shut up.
See, that's the other side. And then we got another horn built onto it. Got all the wiring system on it.
Hey, you turned that thing.
I did. I don't know, I kind of wanted it. And this big one here is the pulley that was on it. But we switched it to the small little pulley right here. It's about an inch big, about that big. It's all the way to the front. Don't have the deck hooked up now. And hooks in. Got a light switch. Switch the lights. Okay. And then we got horn button, start button, and then kill switch.